Hey there, want to switch Gmail accounts on your PC? It's super easy. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type gmail.com and hit enter. Log in to your Gmail account. Now, in order to change or switch your account, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Now tap on sign out. Once you are signed out, you'll be taken to this page. Simply tap the account you want to change, tap on it, and enter your password for that account. Once you have entered the password, tap next. And that's it. You have been signed in to your another account. If you need to switch between multiple accounts, just click your profile picture again and select the account you want to log in from here. It's super simple like this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.